See, yesterday we have solved exercise 3.6 first one. Today let us continue from the second problem. 2 divided by root x plus 3 divided by root y equals to 2. Then 4 divided by root x minus 9 divided by root y equals to minus 1. See now, let 1 by root x equals to p. 1 by root y equals to q. Now consider two by root x plus 3 by root y equals to 2. So, suppose if we put the value of this 1 by root x equals to p, what happens? This becomes 2p plus this become 1 by y means q, 3q equals to 2. This is the equation 1. Now, and 4 by root x minus 9 by root y equals to minus 1. This becomes 4p. Then minus 9q equals to minus 1, because 1 by x equals to p, 1 by y equals to q. So this one 4p minus 9q equals to minus 1. Say equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. We have, see, 2p plus 3q equals to 2, 4p minus 9q equals to minus 1. Okay? Into 9 into 3. 9 2s are 18p plus 9 3s are 27q equals to 9 2s are 18. Then 3 4s are 12p minus 3 9s are 27q minus 3 1s are minus 3. See, plus 27q minus 27q gets cancelled by adding. So 18 plus 12, that is 30p equals to 18 minus 3, 15. So p equals to 15 divided by 30. 15 ones are 15 twos are. Therefore, p equals to 1 by 2. P equals to 1 by 2. Now, put p equals to 1 by 2 in 1. First equation, let us substitute 2p plus 3q equals to 2. So 2p means 1 by 2 plus 3q equals to 2. 2 ones are cancel. 1 plus 3q equals to 2. 3q equals to 2 minus 1. 3q equals to 1. Q equals to 1 by 3. Q equals to 1 by 3. Now we have to find the value of x and y. See what we have taken. P equals to 1 by root x. P equals to 1 by root x. What we have got the values? P as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 root x. Squaring both sides. 1 by 2 whole square equals to 1 by root x whole square. That is 1 by 4 equals to 1 by x. So by cross multiplication, x equals to 4. X equals to 4. Then q equals to 1 by y. Q equals to 1 by root y. So what happens? Q is 1 by 3 equals to 1 by root y. Similarly, squaring both sides, 1 by 3 whole square equals to 1 by y. When root squares, that equals to rational number, that 1 by y. So 1 by 9 equals to 1 by y. Y ones are y equals to 9 ones are 9. See, x equals to 4, y equals to 9. These are the solution for such type of problems. See, such type of problems will carry 3 marks. So please solve such questions very attentively, because sometimes we get confusion regarding the simplification. So be careful about the simplification. See the third one, 4 by x plus 3y equals to 14, 3 by x minus 4y equals to 23. The same procedure. Let 1 by x equals to p, y equals to q. Now consider four by x plus 3y equals to 14. So 4p plus 3q equals to 14. 4p plus 3q equals to 14. First one. Then and 3 by x minus 4y equals to 23. That is 3p minus 4q equals to 23. Second, solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 4p plus 3q equals to 14. Then 3p minus 4q equals to 23. That is into 4, then into 3. 4 4s are 16p plus 4 3s are 12q equals to 56. 3 3s are 9p minus 3 4s are 12q equals to 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. By adding plus 12q minus 12q cancels. 69 plus 9 25p equals to, that is 50. That is 56 69 125 p equals to 5p equals to 125. So p equals to 125 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25 fives are. P equals to 5. Now put p equals to 5 in first equation. 4p plus 3q equals to 14. Now 3q equals to 14. 4 5s are equals to 14. So 3q equals to 14 minus 20. 3q equals to minus 6. Q equals to minus 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. That is q equals to minus 2. So therefore y equals to minus 2. Y equals to minus 2. But 1 by x equals to p. So 1 by x equals to p means 5. So 5x equals to 1. Therefore x equals to 1 by 5. X equals to 1 by 5. Therefore y equals to minus 2. Okay, see this is a little bit different from those three sums. See here 5 divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 equals to 2. 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 equals to 1. The procedure is same. Let p equals to x minus 1, q equals to 1 divided by y minus 2. Now consider five divided by x minus 1 plus 1 divided by y minus 2 equals to 2. 1 divided by x minus 1 is p, 5p, plus 1 divided by y minus 2, that is 1q, simply 1q, 1 divided by y equals to 2. Second equation. And 6 divided by x minus 1 minus 3 divided by y minus 2 equals to 1. This becomes 6p, because 1 divided by x minus 1 is p, minus 3q equals to 1. Say for this second equation 2. Solving 1 and 2. Five p plus q equals to 2. 6p minus 3q equals to 1 into 3 into 1. 3 5s are 15p plus 3q. 3 2s are 6. 6p minus 3q, that is equal to 1. By adding, gets cancelled. 19p, sorry, 21p equals to 7. Therefore, p equals to 7 divided by 21. 7 ones are 7 threes are. P equals to 1 by 3. P equals to 1 by 3. So, put P equals to 1 by 3. In 1, 5p plus q equals to 2. 5p 1 by 3 plus q equals to 2. So 5 by 3 plus q equals to 2. Q equals to 2 minus 5 by 3. So LCM is 3. 1 3s are 3 1s are. 2 3s are 6 minus 5. Q equals to 1 by 3. Q equals to 1 by 3. Now let us find the value of x. Okay? P equals to 1 divided by x minus 1. So P how much? P we have got 1 by 3 equals to 1 divided by x minus 1. By cross multiplication, x minus 1 equals to 3 ones are 3. So x equals to 3 plus 1. So x equals to 4. Then q equals to 1 divided by y minus 2. So how much we got q? Q equals to 1 by 3 equals to 1 divided by y minus 2. By cross multiplication, y minus 2 equals to 3 ones are 3. Y equals to 3 plus 2. Therefore y equals to 5. The values of x and y are 4 and 5. X is equal to 4, y equals to 5. Say this has been continued to now, that is up to this one. So this is from this. Okay, don't get confusion. By one step by that has been completed. So write down neatly so that do not confuse about the method of solution. See, my dear students, the homework is given to practice such types of problems. These two questions are in your textbook questions. Suppose if you do not solve these questions, tomorrow I will solve these questions, but you should try and get the answer. Okay.